Dive into the complexities of family dynamics with our latest YouTube video, 10 Signs You Have a Toxic Family. Uncover subtle yet impactful indicators that could be affecting your well-being. From the silent dangers of emotional manipulation to the repercussions of conditional love, this video sheds light on crucial signs you may have overlooked. Join us as we explore these toxic patterns and, more importantly, discover empowering strategies to break free from the cycle. Don't miss out on this eye-opening journey towards understanding and transforming family relationships. Hit play now and take the first step towards a healthier, happier family dynamic. Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to another exciting episode of No Further Channel. In today's video, we'll delve into a crucial topic that many individuals may find challenging to address: toxic family dynamics. Family is often considered our support system, but sometimes, certain behaviors can create a toxic environment. Let's explore 10 signs that indicate we might be in a toxic family and discuss how to recognize these patterns. 1. Lack of open communication. Lack of open communication is a crucial aspect when identifying signs of a toxic family environment. In a healthy family dynamic, open communication serves as the foundation for understanding, empathy, and mutual respect. However, when communication is lacking or distorted, it can indicate deeper issues. In a toxic family, conversations may be one-sided, with some members dominating discussions while others feel unheard. There might be a palpable atmosphere of fear or discomfort around expressing thoughts or feelings. This lack of openness can lead to misunderstandings, resentment, and a general sense of isolation among family members. Recognizing the significance of open communication is pivotal in addressing and rectifying toxic family dynamics. Fostering an environment where every member feels free to express themselves without fear of judgment or reprisal is a crucial step toward building healthier relationships. Encouraging active listening, validating each other's perspectives, and promoting empathy can gradually break down communication barriers and pave the way for a more positive family atmosphere. 2. Excessive control. Excessive control is a significant indicator when examining whether a family dynamic may be toxic. In healthy families, there's a balance between guidance and autonomy, allowing individuals to develop their own identities and make independent choices. However, in toxic families, a pervasive need for control becomes apparent, disrupting the natural flow of healthy familial relationships. Recognizing the signs of excessive control is crucial for addressing toxicity within a family. It involves establishing healthy boundaries, fostering a sense of independence, and encouraging open communication. Breaking free from the grip of excessive control allows for the development of stronger, more resilient family bonds based on trust and mutual respect. 3. Constant criticism. Constant criticism is a noteworthy sign when evaluating whether a family dynamic may be toxic. In a healthy family, constructive feedback is essential for personal growth and development. However, in toxic families, criticism takes on a more damaging form, becoming a persistent and negative force within the household. Recognizing the impact of constant criticism is crucial for addressing toxic family dynamics. It involves fostering an environment where positive reinforcement and constructive feedback prevail over relentless negativity. Encouraging a culture of support, empathy, and appreciation within the family can gradually counteract the harmful effects of constant criticism and contribute to a healthier and more nurturing familial atmosphere. 4. Emotional manipulation. Emotional manipulation is a telling aspect when investigating potential signs of a toxic family dynamic. In healthy families, emotional bonds are built on trust, empathy, and genuine connections. However, in toxic families, emotional manipulation becomes a harmful tool for exerting control and influence over others. Recognizing the signs of emotional manipulation is essential for breaking free from toxic family patterns. It involves fostering self-awareness, setting boundaries, and promoting open communication within the family. By addressing emotional manipulation head-on, individuals can work towards establishing healthier relationships based on mutual understanding and respect rather than manipulation and control. 5. Unhealthy competition. In an unhealthy competitive environment, family members may feel pressured to outdo one another, seeking validation and approval within the family unit. This can manifest in various aspects of life, including academic achievements, career success, or personal relationships. Instead of celebrating each other's accomplishments, there is a constant comparison that breeds jealousy, resentment, and a sense of inadequacy. This competition often stems from a lack of support and validation within the family. When family members perceive that their worth is tied to outperforming others, it creates a toxic atmosphere where the focus shifts from personal growth to a relentless pursuit of approval. 6. Lack of support. In such environments, family members may find themselves facing challenges alone, as there is minimal emotional or practical assistance. Whether it's pursuing personal goals, navigating difficult situations, or dealing with emotional struggles, the lack of a supportive network within the family can lead to feelings of isolation and inadequacy. Moreover, a toxic lack of support may manifest as indifference or even active discouragement towards each other's endeavors. Rather than celebrating achievements, family members might encounter skepticism or dismissive attitudes, contributing to a sense of unfulfillment and diminished self-worth. 7. Unresolved conflict. Unresolved conflict is a critical aspect to consider when examining potential signs of a toxic family dynamic. In healthy families, conflicts are viewed as opportunities for growth and understanding, with resolutions fostering stronger connections. However, in toxic families, unresolved conflicts create an atmosphere of tension and dysfunction. The inability to resolve conflicts may result in a breakdown of communication within the family. Members may become reluctant to express their thoughts and feelings, fearing further discord. This communication breakdown further exacerbates the toxic atmosphere, hindering the family's ability to work together towards understanding and harmony. 8. Conditional love. In environments marked by conditional love, family members may feel that their worth is tied to specific achievements, behaviors, or adherence to predetermined standards. This creates a constant pressure to meet these conditions in order to receive affection and acceptance. The love given or withdrawn becomes a transactional experience rather than an innate expression of familial connection. This dynamic can have profound effects on individuals' self-esteem and emotional well-being. It fosters a sense of insecurity, as the fear of losing love becomes a driving force in decision-making and behavior. Moreover, it may contribute to a cycle of perfectionism, where individuals continuously strive to meet unrealistic standards set by the family to gain validation. 9. Isolation from others. Isolation from others can contribute to a sense of loneliness and dependency on the family for emotional and social needs. It becomes a tactic to reinforce the toxic dynamics within the family, as individuals are less likely to seek help or share their experiences with those outside the familial environment. Recognizing the signs of isolation is crucial for addressing toxicity within a family. It involves encouraging healthy social connections and fostering an environment where individuals feel free to engage with a diverse network of relationships. Breaking free from isolation allows family members to access external support, gain different perspectives, and ultimately contribute to a more balanced and emotionally fulfilling life outside the confines of a toxic family dynamic. 10. Repetitive patterns. Repetitive patterns play a crucial role when identifying potential signs of a toxic family dynamic. In healthy families, growth and adaptation are encouraged, allowing for positive changes over time. However, in toxic families, repetitive patterns emerge, indicating an entrenched cycle of dysfunction and unresolved issues. These patterns often manifest in behaviors, conflicts, or communication styles that persist over the long term. It might involve repeating harmful actions, such as emotional manipulation, control tactics, or patterns of unhealthy competition. Additionally, unresolved conflicts tend to resurface, creating a cycle of tension and negativity within the family. Recognizing repetitive patterns is essential for addressing toxicity within a family. It requires a willingness to break free from the cycle by acknowledging and addressing the root causes of these behaviors. Breaking these patterns may involve seeking professional help, fostering open communication, and establishing new, healthier ways of interacting within the family unit. By interrupting these repetitive cycles, individuals can work towards creating a more positive and supportive family environment. Conclusion: recognizing the signs of a toxic family is the first step toward fostering positive change. It's crucial to address these issues openly, seek professional help if needed, and work towards building a healthier and more supportive family environment. Remember, everyone deserves a family that uplifts and nurtures their well-being. Thank you for joining us on No Further channel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on building healthy relationships and navigating life's complexities. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Have you encountered toxic family? How did you handle it? Until next time, take care and surround yourself with those who uplift and support you.